Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to center an item on the page or the slide on your Google slide presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So just locate the item in question and then select the Arrange tab at the top. Select Align and then select Center. And you may also want to adjust it as well by selecting the middle. So it should be centered now on the slide in the center of the page. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.